Hello, how do you feel about your first time cooking in St. Mary's kitchen?
I feel great, and I like cooking in St. Mary's kitchen. For the first time in my life, I've experienced something cooking alone without my parents disturbing me that go take this, go take that.
Okay, how do you
Actually,
feel?
I'm happy being here, seeing new faces, not cooking beside by your parents' side, just cooking with different faces. Actually, it's a great experience in this way.
Okay, how do you feel about cooking in St. Mary's kitchen?
I feel really good about it. I really like what's been going on, and I like the collaboration from everybody.
Oh, okay. Hello, how do you feel about cooking in St. Mary's kitchen?
Cooking in Mary's kitchen is very fun. I get to do one of my favorite talents, and I get to help out.
Okay,